Good morning to everyone. Welcome to today's session. I hope everyone of you understood whatever we have seen so far in the last video and the quadratic equations. And we have seen so many problems. We have seen so many problems under quadratic equations, and also we are going to complete this lesson also, right? And application oriented sums is there in the eliminated section. So we are going to go through the application oriented sums also, okay, no problem. And today we are going to continue the same topic with a different kind of sums, okay. So before going to that, let us recall what we have seen so far in the last video. So our topic is quadratic equations. So that is a general form of a quadratic equation in one variable. So how can we check whether a given equation is a quadratic or not? Means according to the power of the variable. If the maximum power of the variable is 2, means that equation is said to be quadratic equation, and the coefficients everything are real numbers, right? And these are some examples of the quadratic equations. And here the solution of the quadratic equations. So solution of the quadratic equation can be find out by the three methods. So one is factorization method, and another one completing the square method, and another one quadratic formula. So we have seen all the methods. Okay, we have seen how to find out the solution of the quadratic equation under all the three methods in the last classes. So far the last classes. Okay, so let us continue the same session today also. So this is known as the quadratic formula. This is a new thing for you. That is x equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Okay, so you have seen this formula in the last class itself, and today we are going to see the nature of the roots. Okay, so how many roots a pair of linear equation having? So what is the degree of the quadratic equation? The degree of the quadratic equation is nothing but 2. That is the maximum power of the variable is known as the degree of the equation. So according to the power of the variable or degree of the equation, the number of roots also there. So a quadratic equation having maximum 2 roots, right? That is 2 roots. Okay. So what type of roots? So the quadratic equation has any one of the following 3 types of roots. That is 2 distinct real roots, 2 equal real roots, and no real roots. So in the last class we have seen these kind of roots everything. Okay, what is distinct and what is equal roots and what is real roots. Okay. And here this is nothing but discriminant, that also we have seen in the last class. So what is discriminant? The value of b square minus 4ac. The value of b square minus 4ac is nothing but is called a discriminant. According to the sign of the discriminant only, we can say what type of roots the given equation having. Okay, so we have seen so many problems under this in the last class. And look at here one more example, that is find the values of k for each of the following quadratic equations so that they have 2 equal roots. Okay, so 2 equal roots. So here the quadratic equation given, but they are not asking the roots. Okay, but instead of that they are asking the unknown value. Okay, which is lies in the equation. So in the first equation k is there. We are going to find k value only by the condition of equal roots. So what is the condition of the equal roots? So 2 equal roots means the second option, that is b square minus 4ac equal to 0. So if an equation satisfies b square minus 4ac equal to 0, then they have 2 equal roots. So now we are going to take this condition only, right? For second subdivision also. Okay, now look at the solution for the first one. So 2 equal roots means the formula is nothing but, so b square minus 4ac equal to 0. That is a formula. So b is nothing but here coefficient of x, that is k. So k square minus 4, and a is nothing but 2, and c is 3 equal to 0. So k square minus, so 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24. So 24 equal to 0. So k square equal to, so when we transpose this 24 to the right hand side, it will become plus 24. Okay, therefore k, what is k now? So k equal to, so transpose the square that side. So it will become plus or minus root of 24. Okay, so 24 is not a square number, but it is a composite number, and also it is possible to factorize with a square number, that is 4 into 3. So 4 into 6. Okay, so 4 6 are 24. So equal to, so the square number 4 here, so we can take the square root for 4 is nothing but 2, and root of 6 is not a square number, it is not possible to split with the square number also. So 6 as it is inside the square root. So the value of k is nothing but plus or minus 2 root of 6. So that is the value of k. So when we substituted k equal to 2 into plus, that is either plus root of 2 root of 6 or minus 2 root of 6, will get equal roots. Right. Look at the next solution for second subdivision. So kx into x minus 2 plus 6 equal to 0. Okay. So now it is not in the form of general form of a linear equation, that is a quadratic equation in one variable. So multiply kx inside it now. Okay. So kx square and minus 2kx plus 6 equal to 0. Right. So in that, now it is a quadratic equation. The highest power of the variable is 2 now. Okay. So when we compare with the general form, so a is nothing but k, b is nothing but minus 2k, and c is nothing but 6. Okay. So a value k, b value minus 2k, and c value 6. And c value 6. Okay. Now substitute, they are equal roots given in the condition. So the formula is b square minus 4ac equal to 0. So instead of b, so minus 2k whole square minus 4ac. So 4 into, so a value k and c value 6 equal to 0. So minus 2k whole square is nothing but 4k square. So 4k square minus, so when we multiply these two, so 24k equal to 0, or 4 is a common number. So we can take 4 as a common one. So take 4 as a common one, what will happen? So 4 into k square and 4k also. Okay. So 4k is a common one. So here one more k is there. So minus 6 equal to 0. Right. Therefore, the product, these two product equal to 0 means either 4k equal to 0 or k minus 6 equal to 0. Okay. K minus 6 equal to 0. So from this k equal to 0 divided by 4. Okay. So k equal to 0 divided by 4. 0 by any other number, we get 0 only. So the value of k equal to 0, and here k equal to, so transpose this 6 minus 6 to right hand side, it will become plus 6. So k equal to 6. So the values of k are 0 and 6. Okay. So that is the procedure to find out the unknown value when the nature of the roots given means. Okay. So next listen, now we are going to see some extra problems here. Okay. So what are they? Look at the first one. If one is the root of the equations a y square plus a y plus 3 equal to 0 and y square plus y plus b equal to 0, then find the value of ab, that is the product of ab. Okay. So for that we need to find first a value and b value, multiply. That's it. So what is given means 1 is the root of the two equations. The given two equations are quadratic equations only. Okay. So if you substitute the root or 0 of the particular equation instead of the variable means it will become 0 definitely. Okay. Now here 1 is the root they are given. So now I am going to replace 1 in both of the equations. Okay, instead of y. Right. So this is the first equation, and let us take this as the second equation. Okay. Now first equation implies that, so now replace y as 1 here. So a into 1 square plus a into 1 plus 3 equal to 0. Okay. And this will become, if you simplify this means, so 1 square is nothing but 1 only. So a plus again a plus 3 equal to 0. So if you add these two means 2a plus 3 equal to 0. Is it possible to find out the value of a here? definitely. So 2a equal to, so transpose plus 3 that side it become minus 3. Okay, therefore a equal to minus 3 by 2. Right? So that is the value of a now. Next, second equation. In second equation also, now I am going to replace y by 1 here. Okay, in second equation, so 1 square plus 1 plus b equal to 0. So 1 square is nothing but 1. So 1 plus 1, 2. So 2 plus b equal to 0. Therefore, what is b now? So b equal to, so transpose this 2 into right hand side will become minus 2. So that is the value of b here. Okay. So a value minus 3 by 2 and b value minus 2. But they are asking ab value only here. That is product of ab. So a into b equal to, so minus 3 by 2 into minus 2. So this 2 to get cancelled and minus 3 here no minus. So minus into minus plus. So 3. So the value of AB is nothing but 3. So that is one of the method to find out the solutions here. That is the unknown values in the equations, right? So look at the next one. Solve the quadratic equation 2x square plus ax minus a square equal to 0 for x. So here if you look at the coefficient of the variable means, so here in the first one 2 is there, but in the second and last a is there. That is a letter coefficients, alphabet coefficients. Okay, so whatever it is, you can use that formula. Okay, so x equal to, what is the quadratic formula? Minus b plus or minus root of b square. So that formula only. So minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. So that is a formula. So they are asking to solve it. They are asking to find out the root of this equation. That's it. So substitute the value as it is now. Okay. So minus a plus or minus root of, so b square means, so a square minus 4ac. So minus 4 into a value is 2 and c value is minus a square. Right? Everything inside the square root. And whole divided by 2a. So equal to, so simplify now. So minus a plus or minus root of a square, and here minus into minus plus 4 2s are 8. So 8a square. Okay. So 8a square and whole divided by 2a. Right. So equal to, if you simplify means minus a plus or minus root of, so 8a square here plus 1a square and totally 9 times a square. So 9a square. So that are inside the square root only divided by 2a. Right. So equal to minus a plus or minus. So inside the square root 9 is a square number only. So square root of 9 is 3 and a square is there. So if you take square root out of a square means a will come. So divided by 2a. Okay. So divided by 2a. So a getting cancelled each other. Numerator also denominator. What about the remaining one? So minus 1 plus or minus 3 divided by 2. Okay. So equal to, so if you split it plus and minus separately means, so minus 1 plus 3 by 2 comma minus 1 minus 3 by 2. Right. So equal to, so when you simplify, so 2 by 2 comma minus 4 by 2. Again if you divide means we get, so 2 by 2 1 and minus 4 by 2 minus 2. So 1 comma minus 2 are the roots of the given equation. That is, they are the values of x. So the letter coefficients are given means no need to worry. You can substitute as it is in the formula and simplify it. So definitely the terms inside the square root will be factorizable. Okay. So many sums also available there. Let us see in the next video.